All right. Sorry, brother. My bad.
Hey, fuck, dude, what the?
No, I'm calling it. I'm an honest player, man. You don't gotta worry about me, all right? Yeah, you got me in the hand. Good shit, good shit.
We're switching. Jake's gonna respawn.
Okay. Yeah, go. Well, this is cool. Making my way downtown, walking fast, and you're home now. Rail's crooked. Shoot! Woo! That was close! Go down to the other side of the kill house, come through the window, there's a guy sitting right there shooting at me.
You got 20 seconds.
Go down there. You can kill the kill. Hit! Fucker! Fucker! Ah! Ah! All right, ready? Popping it off. Moving! Move! Set!
Moving!
Move!
Set! Moving!
Move!
Move! Set!
Moving!
Move!
Set! Moving!
Move!
Set!
Moving!
Move!
Set!
Move!
Moving!
Move!
Thank you, gentlemen.
Yes, sir.